I am going to buy the biggest toy robot. No way! I want the race car. Look at that shop. It is so colorful. Let's check it out. Wow, looks absolutely magnificent. Wow. I'm impressed by the elegant interior design. The ambiance here is quite sophisticated. This place is second to none. Stylish jackets, trendy outfits.
I'm looking for a trendy jacket.
We have the latest collection. The aroma is mouth-watering. I'm famished. Let's grab a bite. Let's grab a bite. Wow, this food court is absolutely vibrant. The aroma is irresistible. I'm spoiled for choice. Wow! I'm fascinated by this novel. This section has an extensive collection. This bookstore is a treasure trove of knowledge. I'm fascinated by the sheer variety of books here. Books broaden our horizons and sharpen our minds. This book has received outstanding reviews. This ice cream parlor looks absolutely delightful. I'm spoiled for choice. There are so many flavors. We got so many great things today. Yeah, that was a really productive shopping trip. I can't wait to come back.